Hello, everybody. Andrea Majewski here with Epicure. So, how and why to sign up with Epicure? So, we have launched in the US this month. So, that's awesome. I personally do live in Canada, but I actually know it seems to be I know more people in the US. So, I have a team of US consultants and Canadian too. So, you do not have to know me to sign up for my team because we all talk to each other all the time anyway. I will leave the link for you guys on the bottom, but if you would like to become a part of our page to just learn more about this amazing company, Epic USA and Canada training, I will leave the link for you guys on the bottom. Just send me a message anytime and just kind of learn more about the company because we all need to eat, right? And cooking at home can save us so much money and can be a lot tastier. It will save us time, especially if we're cooking for kids. You know, we don't want to all eat out every single day, right? That's not the healthiest. It takes time and money. But Epicure teaches you guys how to love cooking once again, save time, and use that time to spend time with your kids, with anybody, right? So you're not spending 3 hours prepping and then 1 hour eating, 2 hours doing the dishes, no fun. So we really specialize in raw to ready in under 20 minutes. And that goes for everything. I'm talking a shepherd's pie from under 20 minutes. You can make a cake in under 20 minutes, a much healthier cake. We have everything, you guys. If you want, I am also going to show you guys what's inside the business kit. So whether you're in Canada or the US, in fact, I can show you guys that now. Let me just change my screen here. So whether you are in Canada or the US, with tax and shipping, it's about $175 in the US. And in Canada, I believe it's closer to 200, but you guys, you get so many things. You can either keep everything for yourself or just give it away as gifts. Christmas is coming. I had kept the entire gift for myself because the idea is to use that kit to start to host your own cooking classes at home. But check this out, you guys. So I'm gonna zoom in a little bit so you guys can see. So this kit has literally everything. If you have any questions about it, let me know. Send me a message anytime. But even if you just want to get started and start eating healthy, start cooking healthier, this is the perfect kit because it has a little bit of everything. Literally, the kit is like $500 worth of stuff for a lot less, from $175 to $200, depending on if you're in the US or in Canada. But look at this, you guys. It's amazing. Now back over to this page here. So as you guys can see, like this is an amazing company because we all have to cook, we all have to eat, or we don't have to cook, but if we don't cook, we're eating out, spending more money, and you know, who doesn't prefer to stay home? You know, I do. I prefer to, you know, stay home, make things myself, and have people say, wow, that was so good. So this is the brochure that we do have online. Just pretty much you can earn also. You can earn a commission selling Epicure, you know, just simply sharing your love for Epicure. You get paid every single day. Or sorry, I think it might be once a week. I'm sorry. Forgive me. I don't pay attention. It might be every single week, but I want to say it's every day too. I wonder if it says here. I will find that out for you, and I should probably pay attention for when I get paid. I host a lot of cooking classes online. I plan to do them more in person in November, but our kitchen's kind of a mess right now. So once things are more normal, I can host again the cooking classes at home. But I do a lot of cooking class videos online to just kind of show people how easy it is to cook what we do. You know, it is amazing, but unfortunately the online, they can't taste things, right? So it's so much better to host your own cooking classes because they can actually taste things. But honestly, you guys, you do not have to wait a month to get paid. you get paid right away, and it's so easy. Just simply share your love of, Epicure, give people a catalog and say, let me know if you have any questions. It's that easy. Epicure sells itself. Why go to the store to get your, herbs, seasonings, sauce mixes? Just order from an Epicure consultant. They're so much healthier because there's nothing artificial, you guys. Nothing artificial. It's all made in a nut-free warehouse. Like, I can't speak enough about it because it's just amazing. And it's easy. You do not have to sell every single month. I do, so that's not a problem for me. But if you don't have to, if you don't want to, you don't have to. So you can literally work as hard as you want, make tons of money, or you can work Epicure 2 hours a month, do a cooking class a month. That's it, and that is totally fine. So you don't have to sell every single month. There are not a lot of companies out there that offer this type of commission that you don't have to sell every single month. So always read the fine print. Plus, if you sign up, you will get your own website, so people can actually place orders online. You don't have to pay for that. I will show you guys my website actually. Let's see. So this is my website here. And people can literally order online from Canada. If they're in the US, they just have to click the US there. Easy. So you don't have to know me to order Epicure products. Anybody can, which I love that, you guys. So back to here. Do you guys have questions? Comment below if you do have any questions. For you guys to sign up, just ask me questions anytime, send me a message anytime. But if you want to sign up now, I do have a website that allows you to do that. So over to my website here, I'll leave the link for you guys for this as well on the bottom. Clearly I have to update this. I apologize because it's talking about our Epicure USA launch in June and July, so I'm going to update that. But if you go up to Epicure USA, so I should have one for Canada too, because I have lots of people who sign up from Canada. And then you just have to click Epicure sign up, and it takes you guys right here. So you just have to enter in your info here and then click submit on the bottom, and that gets emailed to me, and then I email you back right away. So it's that simple. If you have questions about the kit, if you want more info about our commissions, anything, I am pretty much an open book. So let me know. And I do talk to all of my teammates online often. We have a group on Messenger that we can send messages to, ask questions anytime. You won't just simply sign up and then never hear from me again. You will hear from me all the time if you want to, because I am always happy to help. And talking about our commissions, you can make 20% commission minimum. If you have people on your team, depending on where you are in the company, you can make 3% commission off of them. If you're higher up in the company, you can make upwards to 30% commission, plus commission off of your team also. So it just kind of depends on how hard you work, which makes sense, right? I am hoping, you guys, to be promoted to leader soon, because I am this close to being promoted to leader, which is so exciting. And I love that because I love teaching. I love helping people. Being able to work from home is the best thing ever. I started working from home, I would say age 29, age 30 maybe. I'm not even sure. I want to say in my late 20s, actually. Wow, time goes by fast. I love working from home because you can do what you want to do, right? Work as hard or not as hard as you want. I do, though, have my own dental hygiene mobile practice. So that obviously I do out of the house because I go to people's homes to clean their teeth. But working from home, you guys, is so nice because literally the harder you work, the more you want to work, you get paid for that. When you go to a typical 9-to-5 job, you can work so hard but not get a raise for years. Who wants that? Not me. So you guys, I am so happy to help. Even if you sign up to just get that kit, see how you do. Try a few cooking classes, see if you love it. Maybe not, that's okay. You do not have to sell anything if you don't want to. But I suggest you give it a try because honestly, you guys, it's an amazing company. Honestly, it's amazing. So let me know if you need help. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.